Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this world of AI, now there are lots of possibilities. Now you can also change your video into any different languages using the help of AI. Today in this video, I'm going to show how you can translate your video into any different languages. চলুন শুরু করা যাক. Let's get started. So at first we will come to this link. I will share this link in the video description. From here, you need to sign up. So let me get sign up quickly. Click on sign up with Gmail, and then you can sign up with your Gmail account. So let me sign up with my Gmail account. And after signing up, here it will ask you some surveys. So choose your role. So let's say e-learning management specialist. What type of content would you like to translate? Let's say marketing videos, and choose how many minutes. So let's say 10 to 15 minutes. And how much monthly money you want to spend. So for now, let's say $0, and then click on create account. So after signing, it will come to this platform, and then we will here upload our video or audio. So you click on upload. You can also paste the drive link or YouTube link. So let's choose the video from my PC. I have a video already, so click on this one, and then I'm selecting this video, and then we will give the project name. Let's say Lancer Pro. And then number of speaker is only one here, so it will auto detect. Let's choose auto detect, and the video language is in English, so we will change it to any other language. So let's say if I find anything like, so here you can say there is Hindi, so I will translate it to Hindi, and then click on translate. Now it will upload the video. After it's done, you can now listen to your audio. So let's play the video.
नमस्ते अद्भुत शिक्षार्थी, वर्णमाला विशेषज्ञ बनने के हमारे बेहद मजेदार और रोमांचक साहसिक कार्य में आपका स्वागत है। आज के अद्भुत वीडियो में हम वर्णमाला के प्रत्येक जादुई अक्षर में गोता लगाते हुए पूरी तरह से विस्फोट करने जा रहे हैं।
So this is super cool, right? Now if you want to download this one, click on download, and this video will be downloaded as your MP4. So let's say if you want to change any speech in this video, so you can change it from here. So let's say hi there, I am removing this one, and after you have done this one, click on save. Then you will find here there is one option, redub video, and if you redub the video, then your video will be redubbed again with the languages that you have input. Now here this video will be for 1 minute. Now if you want to upgrade to more than 1 minute, then you can see the view plans. So there are some plan here. You can take the plans according to your video length increasement, and you can use it. So now say if you want to create a video more than 30 minutes, then is there any other way or not? Yes, there is another AI tool where you can actually get the video length up to 30 minutes, and this is also one time, so that the first time you will get 30-minute video. So for that, we will come to this link, that is 𝗙𝗶𝗶.com, and here click on localize it, and here we will create on this one. So click on localize it, and here it will ask you to sign in. So we will sign in with a Gmail account, and here you can actually input your YouTube link. So let's say I have a video on my YouTube link. You can also upload from your PC. So here you can also upload the file from your PC. So I have a video here in my YouTube channel. So I will just copy the link from here. So let's say copy the link, and then I will paste the link here. So see, our video is here now, and the original language of the video is English. So we will translate this language to, let's say we will change it to Japanese. So let's say I will click on Japanese and then click on continue. So after clicking on continue, now the video will translate to the Japanese language. So we have to wait for some times. So here our video is now done. Now you can play and listen.
こんにちは。アルファベットマスターになるための超楽しくてエキサイティングな冒険へようこそ。今日のビデオでは、アルファベットのそれぞれの不思議な文字に飛び込んで、大笑いしてみましょう。チャンネルビデオを回す。しかし、今日このビデオでは、このタイプの漫画のビデオを作成。
Now you can see this video is length of 14 minutes, and if you are satisfied, then you can click here download, and this video will be downloaded in your PC. I hope you all enjoyed this video. To see more videos like this, do subscribe the channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.